Alright guys, so we're going to be riding the Millennium Falcon Smugglers run, which is now going to be with Mandalorian and Grogu with the movie that just came out. So let's go check out the new scenes and the new characters that are on the ride.
You're braver than I thought. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers, you steal their crates. Now get the move on, and know that I have complete faith.
Bags on the floor, buckle up.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los mismos.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian. Right, pilot, make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Pilots, grab those controls. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. Nice work on the tractor beam. Gunners, take out those guns. Focus on gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said, don't touch. New plan. We'll catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Right, engineer, launch the homing beacons. Good work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left, engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Endor. Let's see what we find. Grogu, buckle up. Pay attention to light speed. The Death Star. Our bounties tried to hide. Pilots, head into the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Engineers, grab the crate from your tractor beam. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target. Watch out, you'll stall the ship. There's our bounty. Follow him. You're not gonna make it. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo, now. Great shot. Let's head out the corners and use the prices. Take a jet to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Unloading crates now. A respectable haul. To the right buyer, we can fetch a very good price.
Good work, crew. Grogu and I will hand over the pirate to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
All right, guys, we just got off the new Millennium Falcon Smugglers run with the Mandalorian Grogu. Overall, much better, I think, in my opinion. Mandalorian and Grogu are great on the ride, especially if you love Grogu. He has a lot of cute moments, especially in the role of engineer that you guys saw there. But awesome update. Love what they've been doing, especially in this Cool Kids Summer with some of the updates to these rides. And overall, great experience. Hopefully next time we'll get to be the pilots or the gunners.